student of class 12, this is the continuation part of the chapter vector algebra. Now I will discuss the component of vector. When one point is given, component of vector, when one point is given, that is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the intersection of x-axis and y-axis. This is O. Here P is any point whose coordinate is AB. That means this is A, this is B. If it is Q, this is A and this is B. If the point is going from O to A and after that Q to P, then the displacement is O to P. That means OP equal to OQ plus QP, A plus B. Okay. If the unit vector in the direction x-axis I and in unit vector in the direction y-axis is J, so I can write OP equal to AI plus BJ. AI plus BJ and OP equal to R. So R equal to AI plus B, AI plus BJ. This is I cap and this is J cap, because unit vector along x-axis I cap, unit vector along y-axis Z cap. I can write the unit vector with cap sign. Here I write this thing once again, AI plus BJ. Here A and B direction ratio of OP line. This is the scalar component, and AI and BJ are the vector component. Okay. Component of vector, scalar component, vector component. And OP equal to, this is the picture, OP, AB, this is A, this is B. OP equal to distance of, this is X, this is X dash, this is Y dash, distance of OP. I know from distance formula this is equal to this is equal to root over A square plus B square. Okay. For example, if I write P 2, 3 minus 4, it can be written in this way, OP equal to 2I plus 3J minus 4K. Here 2, 3 minus 4, these are scalar component and 2y3j and minus 4k are vector component, and OP equal to root over 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 whole square. This is equal to 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 4 plus 9 plus 16. This is equal to root over 29. This is OP. And OP, this is the modulus OP bar. This is the magnitude of OP. Okay, I hope you will understand this. When 2 points are given, next thing, when 2 points are given, that is P and that is Q. Coordinate of P is x1, y1, z1, coordinate of Q x2, y2, z2. And this is direction, this is head and this is tail. That means it is initial point, it is terminal point. Then PQ equal to x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1 k, sorry j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1 are scalar component, and I, j, k. Along with this, x2 minus x1 into I, y2 minus y1 into j and z2 minus z1 into k are the vector component. Okay. Example, if A, B 1, 2, minus 3 and B 2, minus 1 and 5, find AB, then find AB. This is then AB bar, then unit vector. First AB, this is equal to 2 minus I, x2 minus x1 I plus minus 1 minus 2j plus 5 plus 3k. That is equal to I minus 3j plus 8k. Okay. Second question is modulus AB, that is equal to root over component of I plus component of j square, component of k square. This is 64 plus 9, 64 plus 1, 74 plus 9, 75 plus 9 equal to root over 74. And after that I have to find the unit vector. Unit vector is here direction ratio are here, direction ratio are 1 minus 3 8, because AB equal to I minus 3j plus 8k. So the direction ratio is 1 minus 3 and k. Unit vector this is equal to vector in the direction of AB and whose magnitude is modulus AB, that is AB cap equal to, if AB equal to A vector, then vector unit vector this is equal to A vector by this equal to I minus 3j plus 8k by root over 74. This is the unit vector. Okay. If it is a question, unit vector, if it is given a unit vector in the direction of the twice of given vector, unit vector in the direction of given vector, that is new vector is B and the initial vector is A. That means here question is B equal to 2A. So I can write here A equal to I minus 3j plus 8k. So 2A equal to 2I minus 6j plus 16k. Okay. This is equal to B vector and this is equal to this. And the unit vector in the direction of B vector, that is equal to B vector by modulus B. You will find in the similar way B vector and modulus of B vector, and you will find the unit vector B. I hope you will understand this portion. I am ending here. Next video will come soon.